So what are some challenges or struggles that you face being in seminary?
I think the first is just the fact that you have to study your faith. To begin there is just to sort of say that your faith then becomes this constant battle of study or lived reality. Then I think the reality of being challenged. If you go to seminary and you aren't challenged, you need to take different classes. But it should also be something that's forming you. The struggle of being a living, breathing spirit in class is a constant battle. I think the final thing I would say is after seminary, you'll never go to worship and be the same because you'll always have something to critique. So keeping a spirit of humility when you think that you know it all can also be a struggle in seminary.